Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into creating an Airtable base from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have the know-how to start organizing your data efficiently and effectively. Our first step is to open up Airtable. Once you're in, head over to the right side of your screen and click on the Add a Base button. This is the birthplace of your new base, the foundation upon which all your data will live. The reason we do this is to start with a fresh slate, where you can tailor everything to suit your specific project or workflow. Now you'll see a pop-up window with two options: Start from a template or Start from scratch. Click on Start from scratch. This helps us because it gives us complete control over the structure and content of our base. Next up, you'll need to name your base. Choose a name that's relevant to your project or the data you're managing to avoid any confusion down the line. For example, if you're tracking sales, you might name it Sales Tracker. Now that we've done that, it's time to create our first table. Click on the Add a Table button. Just like the name of your base, the name of your table should reflect its purpose. Remember, in Airtable, tables are akin to sheets in Excel, and each table should contain related information. For instance, if you have a sales tracker base, you might have tables for clients, sales, and products. Once your table is named, you can start adding fields. Fields are like columns in Excel. They're where you'll input the specific data points you want to track. Click on the plus button next to the last field to add a new one. Let me explain why this matters. Fields allow you to customize the kind of data you want to input. If you're tracking sales, for instance, you might have fields for client name, product, sale date, and amount. Once you've added your fields, you've officially created an Airtable base from scratch. Remember, the more you use Airtable, the more you'll understand how to tailor it to your needs. And that's it, folks. Keep experimenting, keep organizing, and you'll soon realize why Airtable is such a powerful tool for managing your data. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.